Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in between. And the cigarette you bummed from me is almost burning out. You suck it till your fingers burn and then you throw it on the ground. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. Even after everything we've seen. In this sterile room with blinding lights and faces pointing down, I only wanna scream, but still I just can't make a sound. Now hold my hand, hold my breath. There's nothing in this world we really own. And Jesus Christ, if you tore my heart out, the only thing I'd feel is less alone.
There's a sign right there. Bathers beware. Keep out of the water.
Okay, yes, so I got the email yesterday. What happened? What happened?
All I know is basically I got a phone call saying, can you call me? And they just said that obviously something's happened, like with someone else. They just said, oh, a scholarship has become available and we'd like to offer it to Mélusine. So I was like, brilliant. I'm not going to ask any questions in case I don't want to mess it up for her. So I know, I couldn't believe it.
I'm dreaming.
So I presume...
Skyping Mélusine. Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I got a scholarship, as you know, for the research. I'm so happy. Like I'm gonna get, but it's like a miracle. I'm gonna get $26,000 every year for 3 years for the PhD. And
That's brilliant, yeah. So, well deserved, I say. Yeah.